Hello and welcome to today's session. So in today's lecture we will study about strategic role of human resource management. In this session we will understand why human resource management is important and what are the various strategic roles of human resource management. Firstly, we will understand the meaning of human resource management. So it is an important task that involves having the right number of right people at the right place at the right time. It is basically having the funnel for which the number of people are involved for performing a particular task. The people recruited and the people who are existing within the firm should be well skilled and well informed about the task that they are doing. They need to be capable enough to do the task within the stipulated time period that they have been assigned for. Also, they should be compensated well in accordance to the job role that they are performing. So this is what exactly human resource management concept is all about. Next is what are the strategic roles of human resource management. Firstly, it deals with having a competitive advantage over the rivals. Second is it is involved in organizational strategies as well. And third is that it significantly impacts the overall organizational performance as a whole. So why it is called as a source of competitive advantage is because the most important asset within any firm is considered to be its people, the workers, the employees who are working within the firm. If at all they are skilled and capable enough to work to do their job well, then they will act as an asset for the firm, which will indeed have a competitive advantage over the rivals within the same industry. It is also said that people oriented human resource gives an organization an edge by creating superior shareholder value, which means that the most important asset and the most valued asset of an organization is human resource. So there has to be a dedicated department, which is the human resource department within the firm, who can manage the existing and the new employees within the firm well. Next is how it can be a part of organizational strategies, because if at all the firm is a people oriented and an employee oriented organization, then there will be several practices, there will be several strategies, there will be several planning which will be involved in retaining the high performing staff within the firm, and also there will be several practices which will involve attracting new and skilled employees within the firm. The managers must change how they think about the employees and how they view the work relationship is also a part of human resource department. They have to time and again remind the top level executives as well as the managers who are involved in managing the other employees and the subordinates to involve their subordinates in the developmental process, so that their relationship could be cordial and there should be no conflicts within them. Next is work with people and treat them as partners and not just as cost to be minimized or avoided, so that they feel as a part of the organization as a whole. There is more and more organizational connect within among the employees, and there is more and more commitment towards the work that they are performing. Next is they significantly impact the organizational performance. If at all the employees are highly motivated, they will be performing well. They will be outperforming according to their caliber, and also they will be interested in learning new processes which will help them better their job role and hence improve their output as well. Improving work practices could increase the market value, better working conditions, better relationship between the top level and the supervisor, between the managers, between the various departments in the firm, help build a cordial relationship within the firm. They help better the organizational culture as a whole, which motivates the employees in working better and outperforming what their actual standard is. Next is work practices that lead to both high individual and high organizational performance are known as high performance work practices.